friends, happy Wednesday. It feels like it should be like Friday by now. This week is going pretty darn slow if you ask me, but it's Wednesday. At least we're halfway through the week. I woke up this morning, showered, I'm having my cup of coffee, which is so yummy. Almost gone actually. I'm getting ready to start editing yesterday's vlog, and then we're going on an adventure today. I don't know how much of an adventure it's gonna be really, but we're gonna go do some shopping. We're gonna pick up some stocking stuffers, and that will finish my Christmas shopping completely, which is amazing. And then I'm gonna come home after that and get my house cleaned up because it's trashed as per usual. So that's the plan. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna go to Dollar Tree, we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. Probably we'll end up at Walmart because that's where I always end up. And I think that's it. But we'll see once we get out and about. It's cold though. Kinda dreading going out, but it'll be really good to have all the shopping done. Alright, so I am here at Hobby Lobby. I am just looking up a coupon now because I never ever go to Hobby Lobby without a coupon. They always have this 40% off coupon. So if you guys have a Hobby Lobby and you shop there, I know not everybody loves Hobby Lobby, but definitely don't ever shop there without a coupon. You get 40% off one regularly priced item. So I'm going to go in there and see what I can find for the kiddos for their stockings, as well as for my husband and I, because while we do not do Christmas gifts for one another, especially right now because we are trying really hard to tackle credit card debt, we do stockings. So I fill everyone's stocking, including my own, just the way we do it. But I'm going to look for some stuff in there, and then we're going to head, I don't know where else. They have an Ollie's here, they have a Dunham's, there's a Salvation Army, there's also Five Below over there, so I might go in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's way over there. So I might go in there and see what I can find, but for now, we're going into Hobby Lobby. And people are looking at me funny for filming, so let's go. I was in Hobby Lobby forever and I only found a couple things to buy, which is sad, but I didn't even need my coupon because everything I bought was on sale, so that's good. I don't know what's going on with my hair. It's just a disaster, and my glasses are fogging up because I just got into my warm car after being out in the cold. Yeah, so I'm headed over to Five Below. I'm gonna go in there and then I'm gonna head to Dollar Tree. I lied, I skipped out on Five Below because their parking lot was jam-packed and there were people like lined up outside of the store. I don't know what was going on there, if they were having some kind of sale or something, but I'm not about that. So I skipped out on that. I'm here at Dollar Tree, and I came to a Dollar Tree that I don't go to ever anymore. This used to be my main Dollar Tree, but they built a newer one closer to my house. But I'm on this end of town, so we're going in here. Hopefully I can find everything I need in there for stocking stuffers. And then I think I'm just gonna go home because I'm starting to not feel all that great. Robbie came home from school the other day with that stomach bug, and I don't know if I got it or if I just need to eat something because I skipped breakfast this morning, but feeling a little queasy. So we'll see how I feel once I get out of here, but I may be going home after this. Alright, so I thought I would give you guys a little look-see at everything that I picked up today. I got at Dollar Tree some of these foam cups. We use these for our snowman games. That's coming up for an Advent activity. I also picked up some taller ones just for beverages on the go. Don't mind the mess, we still have paint out from last night. I picked up these water bottles, or I guess just straw cups, whatever. I got these for the kids to put their water in because they're constantly using glasses in my house. Like every time they get a glass of water, they get a new glass. And I thought if they had this, maybe they would just use this. So stick that in their stockings. One for each of them. I picked up this pet food scoop just because we needed one. I also picked up this micellar cleansing water. I got this to stick in my stocking. I've never tried the micellar water before. Been wanting to, but I didn't want to spend $8 to try it, considering I only wear makeup every once in a while. So when I saw it for $1, I figured I might as well snatch it up. I bought some AAA batteries because our pepper grinder is battery operated and the batteries died, so we haven't had pepper. Picked up this ruler. I got this to go in my stocking as well. It's just a metal ruler, so it's really heavy duty, and I thought that would be good for planning, whipping washi, drawing straight lines for budgeting, that sort of thing. That's it for that bag. The cotton balls are for our snowman games. If you've watched Vlogmases from years past, you know all about that. I got a couple of these peppermint bark bars because my kids absolutely love these. They're going to go in their stockings as well. I picked up a micro USB cable because Austin's broke and he hasn't been able to charge his phone. Some craft sticks for crafting for Advent. I picked up these because my hair was out of control and I didn't have a hair tie with me. I got some of these Twizzler twists. The black licorice is for my husband and Robbie for their stockings, and then the strawberry is for Austin's stocking. And I picked up a little contact lens case to go in my stocking. So that was everything from Dollar Tree. The only other place I ended up going, you guys saw, was Hobby Lobby. And I didn't buy very much there. I picked up this because I thought it would be fun to do for an Advent activity. Just little bead candy cane crafts. This was 50% off, so I got that. And the only other thing I picked up at Hobby Lobby was this expense tracker. They had all of their Create 365 Happy Planner stuff 40% off. So I got this. I will stick this in my stocking, and that will complete my stocking. Just a few things for in there. The kids' stockings are done as well. I just have to figure out a few more things to put in my husband's stocking, which I'll probably do when I go grocery shopping, and my Christmas shopping will be done. Woohoo! Oh, I also went to the mall and picked up movie theater gift cards for the kids for their stockings. And while I was in there, I went to Taco Bell to get myself some lunch because I hadn't eaten yet. So I got a soft taco and a chicken quesadilla and a Diet Pepsi. So that's my little haul. I'm going to go and eat, get this stuff put away, and then I've got some Christmas wrapping to do. A couple things have come in the mail. And then I'll be done for the day. It's 1 o'clock, so I got about an hour and a half before Robbie gets home. So for their Advent activity today, the kids are going to work on this thing that I picked up at Hobby Lobby today. It's got the wire, the beads. I think it'll be pretty fun. They're just going to probably sit here on the living room floor and do it. I got some bowls there to separate the different color beads. See?
I've done that before.
You have?
Yeah, it's cool.
Cool. So you're going to do that. This makes 24 ornaments. But I think we need needle nose pliers, so you'll have to have your brother run out to the shed and get those, because this wire has to be bent into the candy cane shape. Yeah, it's pretty easy. You just basically thread the beads through on the wire in order, you know, red then white, then red then white. So it's gonna be super easy, but super fun, I think. And then we'll have even more ornaments for our tree. Do you want to say hello?
Hi.
So they got about
3 so far.
3 of these little candy canes made. What do you guys think of this project? You think it's a lot of fun?
I'm probably not going to be able to do like all of them because we had to make 24 of them.
I'm probably going to end up making the majority of them.
Yeah, it might be a little bit tedious, but Robbie's been interested in jewelry making, and this is kind of the closest thing to jewelry making while still keeping it Christmas related, so this is why I thought this would be a fun activity, and they seem to be really enjoying it. All you have to do is cut the wire. They give you a little guide on the back of the thing with how long to do the wire. You cut all the wire pieces. You use your little wire needle nose plier thingies to make loops at the end of the wire so that it doesn't poke you. And then you just thread the beads on, and it's really easy, and it seems like a lot of fun. And we'll have lots of really pretty candy cane ornaments for our trees. For dinner tonight, we did a canned soup. Super easy. It's Italian wedding soup. Eric's working super late. I don't have any idea when he's going to be home, and soup will be really easy for him to heat up when he does get home. So, plus it'll be nice after working out in the cold. So, we got Italian wedding soup, and we have these bread rolls that I picked up from Walmart, and that's going to be our dinner tonight. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go eat, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit.
Hi, Peggy. Do something cute. No? Okay. Serious, you are indecent. Don't be licking yourself on camera. Hey, what did I say, mister?